The Hnutrep Youth Council (HYC) on Tuesday threatened to seek legal action against Conrad Sangma-Led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government if it fails to minimize unnecessary expenditures on non-performing government bodies. This came after an RTI filed by the HYC revealed that the government had spent over Rs 4.42 crore on the Meghalaya Economic Development Council (MEDC) and Meghalaya Resource and Employment Generation Council (MREGC) without making any contribution towards the state during the last 5 years. Addressing media persons, HYC General Secretary Roy Kupar Sinram demanded that the Chief Minister of the state take corrective actions to minimize the unnecessary expenses on these types of committees, commissions, councils, etc., which do not provide any productive contributions to the government or the state as a whole.
We have filed an RTI with the planning department, only with the planning department, to know how many of those appointments have been, of those persons who have been made as chairman, co-chairman, vice chairman, deputy chairman into the various council or commission, only within the planning department. The reply that we got is there are two councils under the planning department. One is known as the Meghalaya Economic Development Council with a chairman who is the sitting MLA and other co-chairman, deputy chairman and vice chairman. There is another one which is known as the Meghalaya Resource and Employment Generation Council.
At least 22